Previously on Hemi Muscle.
I'm actually on my way up here to take it to the dealership. We're gonna pull up here, man, see what they talking about, bro. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, we're about to go up here and pick up my car. I'm not sure how much I got paid yet. I'm waiting for them to call me back, but they said my car is ready. So I'm about to head up here now to the dealership. So once I get there, I'm probably not gonna film nothing at the dealership, probably once I just pick up my car. Cause y'all already seen everything that's up there. So I'm about to go up here, see what's going on, see how much I got paid, if I got paid the whole thing or if I got paid half, I don't know yet. But as soon as I get there, I'm gonna turn the camera back on, so I'll see y'all in a minute. Let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna be pulling up at the dealership in a minute. Hopefully they clean my car. I doubt they cleaned it, but we're gonna see. Oh, there you go, right there. Sitting out there waiting for me. Alright, she is. Hopefully this junk ready to go. Joint dirty, man. I need to clean this joint up. Alright, let's start this joint out, man. Alright. Alright, guys, so I'm back in the car, man. I got my car back, man. I'm happy as a mug, bruh. I'm super psyched. So we'll get out here on this road, man, see how this joint sound. Hopefully this joint actually fixed. So once I get settled, man, I'm gonna go through the paperwork. I'm gonna let y'all know how I was able to get my car fixed, even though it's out of warranty. And like I said, I did a video like this a while back. If you go back through my videos, I did a video talking about how to get your car repaired, even though it's out of warranty. So we're gonna go through the paperwork and I'm gonna let y'all know everything I did, who I called, how much it cost, and all that. So stay tuned. We're gonna get to it right when right now I just want to drive it and make sure everything's good. Right now, so far, it seems like everything's straight. I don't hear nothing. I don't hear no kind of sounds, no nothing. Jump riding good. And I also got my oil changed while I was out there. So I pretty much got everything done while I was at the dealership. But again, I'm gonna go over the paperwork and I'm gonna let y'all know exactly what I did and how much I had to pay and everything. So I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Let me drive this car. Alright guys, so far so good, man. This don't ride like brand new, man. I don't know how excited I am to have my car back, bro. I feel like I just got a daggone new Hellcat or something, man. Yeah, I miss my car, bro. And I got fresh oil change. Check it out. 100%. So far so good, man. The joint ride perfect, man. No noise, no nothing. The joint feel like a brand new car. I ain't even gonna lie to you. No speed on the back. I don't even have my raw pedal on. Everything is just regular right now. But yeah, man, this joint back in action, man. I'm about to enjoy my music. I'm glad I got my car back. It's a nice day, the weekend. So again, I'm gonna go over the paperwork, let y'all know exactly what I did, you know, get my car fixed out of warranty. It was a blessing, took some patience. I know I got a lot of comments saying this, saying that. Like, bro, that's a strategy to everything, man. You know, sometimes you don't just jump at the first thing. You gotta take your time and think things through, man. Like I said, I've been through this before. It ain't got nothing to do with being a man. And somebody leave a comment talking about you should know how to work on a car, bro. That ain't got nothing to do with nothing. You know what I'm saying? If I'd have just jumped out there and went and bought this part and did this and did that, I wouldn't have got this done for free. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't even about all that, bro. I'm just taking you guys through the journey with me. When something happened with my car, the good, the bad. Yeah, I could do a lot of things by myself, but you know, I know this is sometimes if you don't ask, you don't get. You know what I'm saying? Closed mouth don't get fed. So sometimes you just gotta be patient and let things, you know, play itself out. It ain't all about, you know, me not working on my own car. I don't get nothing about all that. I know I got a strategy for a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? I've been around for a while. But for the ones that was rocking with me, man, encouraging me, you know, leaving positive feedback, not nothing negative, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all working with, you know, rocking with me through this whole journey. You know what I'm saying? Just me trying to progress and get me a 392 or a Hellcat. I appreciate all the positive feedback. Everybody rooting for me. It means a lot, man. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm trying to figure out exactly how I want to do it, because I want to get back to y'all, man, for, you know, rocking with me. And it's time to upgrade. But if not, we're gonna rock with the 5.7. Something new is definitely coming to the channel. I know that new red eye. I would love to get the red eye, but I just know that's not practical for me right now. Yeah, it'll be cool for YouTube, but this is my real life, you know what I'm saying? And either the 392 or the Hellcat is real realistic for me, you know? So, I'm not saying in the future I won't get a red eye, things get better, get more subscribers, my channel keep growing, you never know, but we're gonna grow together. Like I said, I just appreciate y'all, man. I'm just so excited to get my car back. Y'all don't know. I hate sitting in the house with no ride. And I had to ask, you know, ask people to take me places. I'm a grown ass bad, man. I don't like ask people for no ride. But I appreciate all the encouragement, man. Y'all the best, bro. Hemi Muscle family. Ain't no crew like y'all, bro. Real talk. Alright guys, so I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what I did to get my car repaired, even though it's out of warranty. When I first found out about what was going on with my car, I did some research, and then I took it to my man out in Glen Burnie. When y'all saw it, they lifted the car up and they showed me it was the drive shaft. So when I left there, I called another shop that I normally go to that work on my cars, and they told me to bring it in. It's probably the U-joints, and it could probably be replaced for a few $100s. If it's even there. They said they might be able to just fix it. Might not be a big deal. They gotta look at it and see what's going on. And if you wanna go back and watch that video, the link will be in the description. You can watch each video in order, so you can kind of catch up on what's going on. That's if you're new to the channel and you just now tuning into this video. I'm gonna put the videos in the order in the description so you can check everything out. So when I took it to the shop, that's when he found out that the part was on back order. There was an issue that Dodge has been having with these cars, and at that point I didn't really know what I was going to do. So what I did was I ended up calling Chrysler, because again, I've been through this before with my 300. Anytime I have an issue with like the drivetrain, anything electrical, anything like that, I always call Dodge. They always seem to take care of it for me. The mechanic at the first shop told me that they couldn't get the part in for another 2 weeks. It's on back order. So then I called my boy Mike that work on Dodge, told him what was going on. He even looked up some aftermarket parts, told me a couple of people he know was having the same problems with with their Hellcats. But it still was gonna be another couple weeks before they can get the drive shaft in. So at that point, that's when they told me it was gonna be like $700, then it's like $1,200 to get it installed. Total with labor and everything gonna be like $1,700. That's when I was getting all these different prices, and I was like, man, I don't have that kind of money right now. So from there, that's when I say, let me call Chrysler and see if anything they can do, because they're aware of these problems that's going on with the drivetrain. So I called Chrysler, talked to the rep, and I'm telling y'all, when y'all call there, you gotta be nice. Don't call there with an attitude, act like somebody owe you something. Call there like you got some sense. I talked to the lady. She said she'll call me back, but the first thing I gotta do is I gotta take it to a Dodge dealership in order for them to verify exactly what's wrong with it. I cannot take it to no aftermarket, off-brand shop and expect them to pay for it. So that's what I'm telling y'all. If your car's still under warranty, you should take that joint to the dealership. I took the car to the dealership. They diagnosed the problem. I don't wanna make this video too long, so I'm just gonna really get to the point. They diagnosed what the problem was. Because I've been taking my car to that dealership, getting my oil changes, you know, doing my regular routine maintenance on the car. I've been taking it to the dealership. They was able to track all my service records, and because of that, it gave me a real high score, because that's what they use. They look at your service history, they look at any issues you've been having with the car. Like I say, I bought this car in 2016. I've been taking it to the dealership ever since 2016. They know every single oil change. They could track every single issue I've had with this car because I've always taken it to the dealership. I did not change the oil myself or take it to some Jiffy Lube or any kind of off-brand place to get my oil changed. I always took my car to the dealership. Even though I caught a lot of slack for it, right now it paid off for me. So I took it to the dealership. They diagnosed the problem. She said it's gonna take 24 hours for them to make a decision whether or not they're gonna give me any kind of assistance. So I waited 24 hours, I called them back. They said they were still trying to figure out whether or not they were gonna pay for it. They called and talked to the manager at the dealership. They said that I was a good customer. I've always brought my car in there. I don't know everything they told Chrysler about me, but it must have been good things because she said the dealership spoke real highly of me. So I give a shout out to Waldorf Dodge for looking out for me. Today, I picked up the car. Tell y'all what I was responsible for. I did have them change my oil while I was there. So that was added into the bill. It say right here, found broken drive shaft, replace the drive shaft. So the parts was 1101.07. The labor was $212.94. The Dodge warranty covered $1314.01, and my deductible was $250. So my deductible was only $250, and they paid for the rest. Now, I was quoted $1,700. This is from a shop, and the price at the dealership was cheaper than at the shop. So that's why I'm telling y'all, it's not always more expensive to take your car to the dealership. It all depends on what you're getting done, bruh. And remember, my car is out of warranty. I got 77,000 miles on my car. Let me get out. I had to get out, man. It's nice out here today. So basically, out of $1,300, all I had to pay was $250, and they fixed my car. That's why I say, if your car's still under warranty, it's probably best to take it to the dealership, get your oil changed, because it don't cost that much more to get your oil changed. And if you work your deal right, your oil changes is free. I worked in 10 free oil changes on my car. I think I got my oil changed maybe, I don't know, every 3-4 months. So I wouldn't even get my oil changed that much as it is. Like I said before, I understand people wanna change their own oil, they wanna work on their own car. But look at my situation. If I had been taking my car to some off-brand shop, or if I had been working on the car myself, I'm telling you, they would not have covered this repair, not at all. I know it's loud because I'm right here by the highway, but I just want to let you guys know what's going on with the car. I got my car back. I'm excited. All I had to pay was $250 to get this drive shaft for free, and that came out a lot cheaper than rushing to buy this or rushing to buy that. So I'm telling you guys, you gotta have patience sometimes. You gotta let things work itself out. Again, my advice is if your car's under warranty, take it to the dealership to get the oil changed, get little things done. That builds up your service history. And that's what they look at when you're in a situation like I'm in, where the daggone drive shaft done went out. It's gonna cost me $1,300 to get it fixed, and I only paid $250. I appreciate you guys, you know, rocking with me through this whole journey and getting this car fixed. So now we're back to the regular program. I'm on a mission now to go ahead and get me something else before something else go wrong with the car, because I doubt they fix anything else if something else go wrong. So I think they probably done for us fixing stuff, and my warranty is expired. The car is good to go. Like I say, I love my RT, man. It really is nothing. Now it's really nothing wrong with this car. We got a brand new drive shaft. There's nothing wrong with this joint. They did a multi-point inspection on it, checked to make sure there's nothing else wrong with it. Everything checked out good. Got the oil change, tire pressure set. I'm ready to ride. But again, that's just my situation. I mean, people gonna do what they do. Some people don't care. They gonna work on their own car while it's under warranty. And there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying you wrong for doing it, but in my situation, it worked out. The fact that I did not change my oil myself or take it to some rinky-dink shop to get my oil changed. So I'm gonna end the video right here, man. I already been talking long enough. So if this is your first time on my channel, smash the like button. I appreciate you guys rocking with me, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.